Game over.
Fuck you! No!
Game over.
Pick up and turn around. Hands on the ground.
Ooh, don't you find it strange? Only thing we share is one last name. Did I beat you at your own game? Typical of me to put us all to shame. Welcome to the family truth.
The house will die out.
Still want that cigarette?
What's your name?
My name is very fucking confused. What's your name?
She's the end.
Want to know what I do? I get paid to take pictures of rich guys like you who go to seedy out-of-the-way motels to fuck their secretaries.
No one is taking your kidneys.
Can you tell from way over there?
Instead of Jesus, I worship Trina. Instead of liquor, I drink some cleaner. Yeah, my daddy's real proud of his little bitch. And when my boyfriend comes in, ain't no little drips. I ain't a little bit bitch, no, I'm a little rich. So come and run in my check, you fucking little shits. Aisha, Nicole, Smith, hi. Give me 20 grand to slide up inside. Instead of Jesus, I worship Trina. Instead of liquor, I drink some cleaner. Yeah, my daddy's real proud of his little bitch. And when my boyfriend comes in, ain't no little drips. I ain't a little bit bitch, no, I'm a little rich. So come and run in my
Gonna be okay? I wouldn't lie to
Someone, usually me, has to hold the camera, which means I'm always missing from the photos.
It's for you, 'cause I wanna feel like I'm supposed to. I could disappear, but this is what makes me feel so real.
Could it shine down here with you? Just my love is mine, all mine.
kill you, you know.
Everything's overrated.
Push me.
What the fuck is this?
Calm down. Just calm down. Are you hurt?
We're gonna be okay.
I wouldn't lie to you.
Don't leave me.
Give me one time, baby. 다시 한 번. 오케이, 방금 한 건 알지만 또 한 번. Yeah, 계속 말해줘. 들어도 듣고 싶어. 어쩜 이런 일이 꿈인가 싶어. 어머나 좋았었잖아.